Hey guys, so in this video I will show you how to easily set up and install mods for the Palworld server. So let's get started. As you can see, also I am on a fresh server, so we can check stuff together. The first thing you want to do is to make sure your application is updated. So I'm just gonna check that I have streamer mode enabled, and if I go here to devices, uh, you can always check here for the update button. Currently my test application is updated, so I just go back to servers, here to my server overview. And the other thing is, if you struggle to update via the app, you can just go to the HaruHost.com website and go to the download section and then download the app, since this will also contain the latest version. Alright, so now that this is out of the way, let's see how it works. So as you can see, I have an already existing running server, so I'll just go to view. Then I go to auto config and go to the mods section. Here it already lists the core mods because most mods require file schema and UE4SS. Now in order for the mods to work, a few prerequisites are needed. So first one is to enable the mod manager, and then you need to actually connect a Steam account that owns Palworld, because I couldn't get it to download the mods from Steam Workshop without authenticating. So this basically will create Steam CMD credentials. So I will just press add account. Okay, so now I will simply press the add button and it shows us the status. Also, as you can see, it tells that you may get logged out from your Steam account when this is logged in, because I think Steam only allows one session to be logged in, so yeah. But anyways, now it asks to approve the sign-in request in Steam app. So I will just open the Steam app on my mobile phone and simply approve the request, and let's just wait. Okay, so it has been added and it shows Steam account because I have here streamer mode. Okay, so let's see how you can add mods. So you can press the add mod button and here you can browse the mods. So for example, I want to find the quality of life, but as you can see, it's not visible. In that case, if the mod cannot be found in the manager, you can just go to Steam and, for example, there should be this quality of life, I think. Quality of life. And then you just press on the mod and just copy this ID. So I simply go here back to the manager, press add by ID here, or press back and add by ID and press like this. So the mod has been added, but it shows pending installation because it will only install when the server is starting up, which makes sense. So the other mod I want to have is engrams. Whoa, technology. Alright, so the other mod I want to have is the technology unlock mod, and let's see by popularity. So it's likely this one should be working. So once again I will copy this ID and then go here and paste it in and press add. So now that both of the mods have been added, I need to restart the server. So I will simply press here and press restart. Okay, so if you look at the console logs, it shows that mods are being installed. And all 4 mods have been installed and the state has been running. Now it's online. So the mods are ready, but let's go back to the mods and see if we can configure them. So both have this config section. The auto unlock has it. This is still a script, but I'm not sure if you should edit it. Let's go to the quality of life, because it allows us to change the base range multipliers. So let's say I make it 1.2. No, let's make it 3. And as of now, the server is started with the 1.45 value. So let me just connect to the server. I will copy the name, go here, join multiplayer, community servers, paste in the name. Okay, so let's see if the base mod loaded and works. So I have this auto technology, and you can see all the stuff has been already learned. Okay, so I just need to quickly level up. How can I do that? Talk to the person. I will just speed this up for you guys. Alright, nice, and I got leveled up. So now if I press the tab button, technology, all the stuff has been already learned. And I still have 7 points remaining, so nothing was spent. It means this mod works. But we also want to test the base mod, which is the PAL management. So we need 1 Paldium fragment, wood and stone. So let's do this. 3 stone. And I think we should go down below to quickly get the Paldium fragments. Damn. Okay, so we got this 1 Paldium fragment, and now it's enough to make the base. Or not. Yeah, it needs the wood. And like 4 wood, and then we also may want to build a chest, so that would require a ton of wood. So how much wood do I have? 15, but I think the chest itself requires 15, so I still need 8 more wood. I think it's 8. Let me check. Yeah, so 3 more. Alright, so let's put in the base. And we can see the blue line here, so let's just do this. Nice. Okay, so now I should also be able to build the chest, but it looks like I'm still lacking stone. So as you can see, the baseline is here, but if I go outside, it doesn't tell me that I'm outside the base. But if I go further, you see the base is up to here. So it doesn't show the line, likely because this mod may need to be downloaded on the client as well with the same values. But in any case, we can confirm that it works. So if I go back to the manager and we go back to mods, quality of life, and then go this file. We have these 3 multipliers, so let's just restart the server and see how much bigger the base becomes. Okay, now that the server got back to online, let me connect again to the server. Join multiplayer community servers, pasting the name. Okay, so as we remember, here was the base limit. Now let's see how much more bigger it is. So we are, if we just to verify that we are in the base. So you can see no warning pops up. So this is a 3 times bigger radius. Alright, it looks like you can make like a wall city. Jeez, it still doesn't... Oh, see, it's up to here. So basically I can make the base up to here. And this is where it ends. That's insane, right? Alright, so that's it for the mods. I will just log out. And if we go back to the manager, if you have multiple Palworld servers, you can change it. But I mean, you can share it by adding a different server here. So you can reuse the mods with multiple servers. And we can see here is the status, and also if you remember before it was Steam Workshop ID, but now that the mod downloaded, it shows the proper name. So yeah, and if you disable the mods, they shouldn't load. And you can also click this button to change the active Steam account. I will just go back. If you press the delete button, it will delete the credentials, meaning you won't be able to download the mods. So if I remove this, it shows that this will require authorization. I can reselect the account back, but if you press delete, and the account won't be in the list anymore. You will need to re-add it. And if you have multiple computers, each computer needs to have a logged in Steam credential because it's saved on your computer. Yeah, so I guess that's it. Have fun playing.